Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Honda CRV, stock number 6298. This ran from the 1st 2014 to the 1st 2014. It has a N22B for 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the N22B for 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,